That's definitely very nice. In here, there's the weights. And they're made of wood. It's the pendulum. Made of real wood. I'm not sure what kind of wood it is, but I can see the grain in there. Clock looks really nice. So there's a lot of parts that would be done by hand. The Cuckoo doors there. Chains on the bottom, the pendulum. Let's take a look at in the back here. So this is like a plywood, it looks like. Very nice finish on it. It takes 3 C batteries. And on the side here, there's on, low, off, and adjust. There's a lot of integral little parts. It's hand assembled. All these parts are glued and little nails. I thought it might be solid, like a solid wood, but it would warp. There's instructions. The windows have shutters on them. Yeah, it looks really nice. Definitely a conversation piece. People are going to be drawn to this. I'm going to find a spot for this, and then I'm going to set it all up and try it out. The clock's been running perfectly for days now. I really like this clock. It's a really nice looking clock. There's a lot of detail. I moved the pine cones up because I like the look of the pine cones up higher, covering the pendulum a little bit. And so they can move. This little plastic rail that holds the chains, the only way to adjust it is to take these screws out, and then there's a little wire tie in there. So what I did was I removed the wire tie, and then I was able to adjust the pine cones. So when the Cuckoo's coming out and the audio of the little tune after, that can be adjusted. On is the highest, low, and then off. So the adjust button is to adjust the Cuckoo to the time. Let's go to 4 o'clock. So it has a real wood veneer on it. So it's not particle board or anything like that. And I think it looks great.
So this is the second horrible piece of junk clock that looks just like this that I've got off of Amazon. It's horribly freaking glued together. The pieces fall apart. When you open up the back of this to try and inspect it, to go through any of the troubleshooting garbage ideas that they give you, you can't access the hands. You can't take this mechanism out. You can't get anywhere to see if there's even a timepiece or clock mechanism behind it to adjust. You cannot remove the hands or replace them. There's no access. There's no way to do that. When you take the batteries out, if you think you're trying to troubleshoot it and you put it back in, you can push this volume button or the play button all you want, and it won't do anything. This is a piece of crap. Anyone who decides they're going to try and waste $100 on this poorly 3D printed piece of balsa wood garbage, don't buy it.
Coming back at me with the relationship, you know.
I am confused too.
Yeah.
Yeah, honestly, a little bit hurt.
Yeah, but there's like obviously good stuff, right? Like that doesn't discredit all the like fun I've been having with you.
You're right, it has been rough. You're absolutely right. You are a couple that has made huge strides. Yeah. Is it perfect? No. Are you both trying completely? Yes. You're a very different couple. But you've got to be more open-minded. When people bring things up, get curious as opposed to defensive.